Why are you so serious?
Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Harley Quinn and Joker get ready with me. This is my fiance, Aaron.
Hey guys.
And he doesn't do makeup a lot, as you may have guessed. But we're just gonna sit down and film us getting ready. It's not gonna be an in-depth tutorial at all. We have a New Year's party to go to with Aaron's family tonight. And so the theme is superheroes and supervillains. Obviously we chose villains, and we didn't have a lot of time to come up with a costume because we remembered very last minute that we had this theme. So we did this entire look completely on a budget, just stuff that we had in my makeup kit. And I think it'll be a really easy look to pull off if you have a significant other or anything and you guys need to do a last minute costume. This might be a pretty good one to do. And I hope you enjoy this video. And Aaron attempting to do makeup for first time. Let's get it poppin'. Okay, so you can kind of try and explain what you're doing if you know what you're doing.
I don't know.
I think so. What we're gonna do, what we're gonna do first is start with our foundation. This is the palest foundation that I have. To grab your. You're gonna grab your makeup sponge and you're just gonna start to pounce it all over your face.
Alright.
Hold it and go in. And then you're probably gonna have to...
Whoa, is that too much?
I don't know.
Feels like a lot.
I know, but you don't usually wear any makeup, so anything's gonna feel like a lot to you.
That looks right.
This is so fun. I love dressing up. It's my favorite thing to do. And you just layer it on until you feel like you are pale enough. You look kind of dead right now, so you're getting there.
Is this like it? And then you do paint stuff on it?
Yeah, so that's your base. So we're gonna pick up this Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. And this is water activated, so we're just gonna add a little bit of water onto this. Just gonna grab a little bit of that soft ochre paint pot. I'm just gonna get that with my finger. You look grumpy.
I usually am.
You are. I woke him up from his nap.
It's a New Year's party. You're gonna get your nap on before you go out.
Yeah, because we're getting to that age. The age of naps. BH Cosmetics Conceal and Contour Palette. Going into this palest shade possible. This is not going to be the best done costumes we've ever done in our life. This is like, we couldn't figure out what we were going to be for this party, and then last minute we decided, and Aaron had all of the stuff for his Joker costume, and I just needed a t-shirt, and so we said, that's the one. This is my Suva Beauty Cupcakes and Monsters palette, so it's very appropriate for this look today. And I'm just gonna go into this white shade right here and use that to set my makeup.
I think mine's supposed to be like messy. I don't think like the Joker like sits down and does the makeup.
Ew.
Posh and putting eyeshadow and wingtips and.
Do I look like your main chick right now?
So much like my main chick.
Blend it
No,
out
I don't
now.
need that blended.
It would look,
It's supposed to be.
I know, but it looks a little rough on this side.
It's supposed to look rough.
Okay. Tell them what you're using.
The Jumbo NYX pencil.
And I'm gonna use these two colors. A black.
601 black bean.
Oh, you're such a good model.
How do I use this? Do I just like start going? Ah, I need to jab myself in the eye.
Welcome to my world. I'm gonna grab 2 blending brushes and these 2 shades from my Suva Beauty. It's true. I guess I'm just gonna start buffing that in. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, the same color, and just start to drag it down. How often do you do your makeup, honey?
Once every other lifetime.
I think you can set it all with black eyeshadow if you wanted to. Then I'm just gonna pick up a little tiny bit of black eyeshadow and just use that to further deepen my crease up. What are you doing over there, boy?
I'm just going. It doesn't need to be nice and even.
No, it doesn't.
It's just like, whatever. Okay, I need to do lips.
You're like flying through this.
Oh yeah, I'm like trying to get done.
Because you're not enjoying yourself?
Haha!
I know. Dose of color. You don't pop at the top. You have to screw it off like a civilized individual.
Sorry. Is that not right?
No, you did it right. You're pretty smart. I'm gonna grab that red again. It looks a little cooler. Like that.
And now I don't have any silicone to create scars, so I'm just gonna have to try and figure out maybe by using shadows.
It's like my favorite thing to do is just sit at home, do really extreme makeup when nobody's watching me.
I think I'm done.
Do the laugh. The one that you do when the kids are like, when you're chasing the kids around. It's like, I can't do it. Oh, you're on the spot?
I'm on the spot. You're putting me on the spot.
Oh my god. It's too scary. Okay, wait, you have to do your hair. Here, you take that.
This is like a cool, it's like almost like comic books. Oh, it's got a mirror.
We sprayed Aaron's hair white. And so now we're gonna try and make it green because we don't have any green. And it's actually New Year's, so we don't have any access to any Halloween stuff. And we live on an island where there's no supplies.
Cool, I'm done.
No, you don't want to hang out? No, you are not done because you have to help me now. Write on my face for me. I need you to draw the heart. Make a pretty heart though.
A little janky, but
It's on there.
it's on. That's what you got. Little dude. I'm out.
Wait, you're gonna have to cut. Oh, it looks so good. Dang, you did it like.
No, it doesn't.
You did it like 3D and stuff. I just like, this is getting me all pumped for Halloween. It's not even Halloween right now, but I wish it was. So she actually does have dark eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Okay, I just stuck on those half lashes off camera. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my costume, and we will see you in a sec.
And you have
hair in my mouth.
And lipstick on your teeth.
Ah, this is going great. Maybe we should try again. All right, so this is our final look for our Harley Quinn and our Joker based on Heath Ledger. In all, we spent $12. Erin made me this put-in choker out of glitter, paper, and foam from the craft store. We got this $10 t-shirt. He's very crafty. And he had all this stuff in his closet. Both of our looks were very makeup based, and so I think it turned out pretty good for figuring out what we were gonna be like one day beforehand, and then running around to stores and not finding very many items.
So we just wish everybody a happy 2018. Hopefully your year is even better than this last year. Thanks for watching.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.